Hello and welcome to another random Chinese sender email gift product thing. You know, the typical, we'd like to send you a product and if you could please unbox it and review it. So, here I am. Like, people keep sending me like weird stuff. I'd really like if somebody sent me like tools or spanners or, you know, anything like that. What we have instead is an alarm clock. Ooh. Look at its alarm clockiness. It is blue. What kind is it? That's a good start. VADIV? Does it even say on it? Does it? Oh no, I was going to say the instructions aren't in... Oh, they're in Chinese. Okay. What have we got? Alarm on and off. Time set buttons. Clock, alarm set, date set, time set, sensor, on off. So this takes 3 AAA batteries, 3 AAAs, or the bit I actually thought was a good idea, it can run on USB power, or USB to its small connector. So let's plug it in with that first. Do they give you a decent length of wire? You know, so it actually reach down the back of a... Oh, that would absolutely reach down the back of your bedside table. That's what I'm looking for. Bedside table. Okay, let's plug her in. Yeah, let's try it. These ones. No. 50, 50, 90. 50% of the time, you're right or wrong, 90% of the time. Let's plug in. So much beeping. Oh, look at that. What time is it? 2:20. Oh, actually, this is its thing. It's got a touch sensor to turn it on and off. Ooh, look at it light up. It's actually got a nice light. It's not horrendous. Right. Anyway, I imagine 12:24 minute date. Time set, that's us. And hours and minutes. 1, 2, it's not AM, it's PM now. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 1, 2, and something PM. 2:20 PM. Well, that was easy to set. Date set? 2007? No, 2018? Month? March? And does that one do the... Is that changing anything? No. Wait. So what one changes the... Come on now. Month, year, and then date. And it's not changing the date. Oh, there it goes. So it clicked, but didn't actually do anything. Oh, it's got a dodgy connection. The button's clicking, but... Oh, there it goes now. Oh, you can't see. It's over here. Down there, see? Oh, I think today might have been the first, which makes a lot more sense. Yeah. April Fools, everybody! First. Nice. Right. Alarm set. There's alarm up there in that corner. And set it wherever you want. And then you're all set. Here's a good idea. Let's... Ta-da! Does that make it any easier to see? Does it? Not sure it does. You can see the reflection now. So it's a nice light. It's plastic. It weighs almost nothing. Powered by USB. It appears to consume absolutely no current whatsoever. So that's so low powered that it's not even registering on the thing. That's... You know what? What is this? I'll put a link up to its Amazon thing. I'm sure it's like £13 or something. I don't know, let's set the alarm, see what the alarm sounds like. Minutes, hours. So let's set it for it changed over PMs to this one. Oh, that's 24 hour. Come on now, come on minutes. This minute button doesn't really work very well. No. It must have a very specific place to push it. Wow, it really, it's not for... It's clicking and it's not doing anything. Oh, is it because I was touching the top at the same time? Yes, that might be a thing. Alright, let's set it to 24. And set. So, now we just wait for time to elapse. Sometime. And then we'll hear what the alarm sounds like. Ah! Alarm's not on. Now I'm going to set it for 25. Okay, let's set alarm to 2:25. 2:25 PM. The alarm is on as given by the Z bit and the switch on the back. Alarm on. Sensor on. Don't know what that means. Let's give it 30 seconds. Yep, that's an alarm clock. And it stops when you touch it. Look at that. I imagine you put the alarm off with the off. Not sure what sensor on and off does because it still lights up when you touch it. Ah, I could read the instructions. Unless it's got a light sensor. Has it got a light sensor? Where would they have put a light sensor? No idea. Doesn't say. If it does say in the instructions, it's very vague. Something, something. Oh, wait a minute. Number 8. Light sensor control. I have to plunge us in the darkness for that. That won't work in a video. Okay, so light sensor control. Slide the selector button to position. This time clock will automatically light the strength of the external environment to open the background. I think that basically translates to it makes the backlight, adjust the backlight depending on how bright the ambient light is. But, oh, there's the light sensor there. So if I cover that, so if I make it really dark, according to the sensor, how dim does it make the same brightness? Doesn't really seem to make much difference. Yeah, well, VADIV alarm clock. It's absolutely an alarm clock. Is it worth £12 for an alarm clock? Oh, do you need an alarm clock? It's got a nice light you up feature, I suppose. It alarms. It tells the time, the temperature, and the date. What more could you possibly ask for?